Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix BO7 audio not working and get your BO7 sound back fast.
Fix 1. Check in. Game audio settings. Step 1. Open BO7 and go to settings. Step 2. Select audio. Step 3. Make sure master volume, sound effects, and voice volume are not set to 0. Step 4. Turn audio preset to headphones or TV speakers depending on what you use. Fix 2. Restart the game and console PC. Step 1. Close BO7 completely. Step 2. Restart your PC, PS5, or Xbox. Step 3. Open BO7 again and check the sound. Fix 3. Check system sound output. Step 1. Go to your device's sound settings. Step 2. Select the correct output: headphones, speaker, HDMI, or controller. Step 3. Increase system volume. Fix 4. Disable 3D audio on spatial sound. Step 1. Go to sound settings on your device. Step 2. Turn off 3D audio, Windows spatial sound, or Dolby Atmos. Step 3. Restart the game. Fix 5. Disconnect and reconnect audio device. Step 1. Unplug your headphones, controller, or HDMI cable. Step 2. Wait 5 seconds. Step 3. Plug it back in.